hope you all had an amazing week. So today I have something new planned out. Today I'll be debunking some of the most viral science experiments on the internet, which means I'll be testing them out to see if they actually work or if they're fake. So without a further ado, let's move on to today's video. So we'll go full on with the debunking. So we are going to be having this camera angle for today. So the first one which I'll be doing is this. So first they make a boundary or something, some borders with the foil. Okay, I'll raise the boundaries a bit so that I don't let the water overflow. Okay, then they take a marker and I also will be drawing a spider. That seems to be it. And then they pour water. We'll see what happens. This is a no. Don't try this, it won't work. So for this next one, we are going to be needing hot water, cold water and some paint, different colored, something to mix with, and then some cardboard or some stiff paper. First I'm going to mix this yellow paint into the hot water.
Maria, right now you look into my eyes and found a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Now waiting for
In the cold water.
the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want to.
So first place it over hot water.
To the sky, looking high. All the people, you're the one and only you know. Want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh,
Okay.
somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling.
Okay. So this is what happens. So as you can see, there's not really a green layer formed here. This is what I did, but if I have done it wrong, then I don't know. But this is separate. There's no green layer, but the water isn't mixed. It's just separate. That we can conclude. So first put some glue. Next some water. We're going to put in the water right beside it. Okay, next take the ink. So anyways, I'm just gonna keep this aside. Okay, so for this next one, we're going to be needing glue and salt. So the person just puts, like, he has his fist and then just puts on some glue into it. He puts some salt. So the parts which got salt, they come off easily like this. So it does work. It's just that I have to, the salt didn't reach till here. So this thing works. So guys, the water and glue one, it's fake. The glue didn't magically form any snowflake or flower patterns. So I had kept it for a while to see if it works, to give it a fair chance. And the water is mixed with the ink completely, you can see it roaming. So in total, 2 of them were real and 2 of them were fake. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the Science Orb for quality content from my side. And also make sure you comment down below if you want more of this debunking series. I had so much fun, and you also can try these. It's fun. So bye, meet you next week.